Good morning again, World History, Cardinals, Block 1 and 3. Now, today, I want to actually just go through the lesson. So, we're going to start on the home page, as you can see, and we're going to enter class. Note, though, that I have added the codes for your DBQ project right here on the page for you to see. So I know y'all don't always like to read everything, but the information is right here at step number 1. So let's enter into the lesson. Let's go to Unit 1 and let us scroll down to the appropriate date, which is right here, Lesson 5. Yesterday in Lesson 4, we started talking about the traits of a civilization. You watched the video and it gave you the answers. It started with cities and then specialized jobs, belief systems. Make sure you know those 5. And then now today we're starting with the first of the 4 river valley civilizations. We are starting with Mesopotamia first. So in order to do that, we need to answer the essential question, Hammurabi's Code. Was it just? And here they mean in terms of justice, fairness. Write down the goal statement in your notes. I can understand the development of government structure in ancient societies. Our daily plan today is using the DBQ project tool. You will use it all throughout the semester. You will have an account created and you will be participating in discussions and essays and other details through document analysis. Click the link. So the first thing you see is Unit 1, Lesson 5 warm-up. The only thing about this warm-up is they are practicing allowing you to get in. That's really the warm-up, seeing if you can get in the DBQ online. So you click the first button after reading the sentence. Today you will be using DBQ Online. And that should prompt you to go to the dashboard. Based on the video, I've told you everything else. You click View and put in those codes. Okay? Then it says DBQ Project is an online tool we use throughout the semester. You know that. Right here, there's another embedded video that tells you how to log in. I'm pretty sure you can figure it out, but if not, there is a video. I put the codes down one more time. Please make sure you use all caps. Code 1, MDADN, and code 3 for block 3, UJUKD. I've added some things. I said, now that you know how to enter the app, I'm going to give background material to help you understand Hammurabi's code. In these 2 clips, this is an example of the skits that I used to do for this particular project. It says above are 2 skits from our 2016 freshman class. These students graduated just last year in 2020. It says we did skits acting out some of the Hammurabi's codes. Take a gander, see what you think. Do you remember this lesson from middle school? Usually students do. I have also added for you a partial list of the actual code. This is where the students were getting their material from to act the skits out. Up under that, I've added an activity that explains how Hammurabi's laws are enforced. So when you click on that, you get this big collection of what the stele looks like. Here again, you're going to see this in DBQ land, but you can also see it right here. So there's the stele, and then you basically, this is if we were doing this. I'm just talking about it, but we're not going to actually turn this in. So no worries. No worries whatsoever. And then finally, something that I do want to do in class is the Hammurabi play. And that play I've been using for the past 4 years. And it's fun because we audition kids and anybody who wants to read the part of Golub, Hammurabi, Sargis, Zine, Toral, Mammoth, and Judge, they normally jump on it. So I'm trying to give you some background just to help you understand this section. It's a fun section, but it can be long. Next. So activity 1 is an example of the hook exercise. So in the actual DBQ online project, you will be there and you will click on the hook exercise, and they have given you a case A and a case B, and you're going to answer the case questions. Is it fair to Eddie or JD? Is it fair to Best Buy? Is it fair to society? Is it in the best interest of society? You're going to put all of that in the discussion board. And then we'll move on. Which brings me to the actual assignment. I have put it in bullet points to try to make it simple for you. Once you've done the discussion board, you literally are just going to read these bullets. All of the work will be done right now in the DBQ project. Okay? So view the assignment for the appropriate class, Block 1 and Block 3. Then read the background essay, annotate it using the DBQ online tools. Make sure you take notes on what you've written in your world history notebook. Then in the DBQ land, make sure you click the button that takes you to the background essay and answer the questions. That's in that video I just gave you earlier. Then you're going to export and save your work on the Chrome as it says in the video. Then you're going to go back into the DBQ Online and read the rest of the documents, A, B, C, D, and E. You're going to answer the questions to all of them. You're going to continue to export and save the documents on Chrome. Then you're going to stop. These assignments, these 6 assignments, are not due until January 21st. It gives you 7 days to complete it. So basically, you would end up doing 1 a day. Do background essay questions today. Do document A tomorrow, Saturday. Do document B on Sunday. Do document C on Monday. Do document D on Tuesday. And then do document E on Wednesday, because it's not due until 11:59. Hope this helps. And once you click next, you're going to see the rock, and that means you are finished. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.